Today, the 7th of May 2025, now 8th of May 2025, the analysis of British pound sterling, GBP US dollar. After the Fed meeting, now Dixie increasing, the US dollar getting stronger and stronger. The potential chance of any rate cuts in the United States is going near zero. Even some news media are spreading the fake news that the Fed will cut twice this year the interest rates, and that's not true. Go watch the full speech of Jerome Powell, Mr. Powell, of today or yesterday or some or 2 hours ago. I will put it in this channel. And he never said it. Instead, he said that potential of inflation rising is very high, and that means that now other nations, especially also in Eurozone, we are going for no interest rate cuts, but the Bank of England, the BOE, which is going to make its decision, I think tomorrow or today, I'm sorry, on 8th of May. It is now in about 16 hours from now on. The Bank of England, the potential to cut the rates in England and Great Britain is very high. Now we see that shortly after the last meeting, the pre-last meeting, the British pound sterling started its move down. This is the potential location of the commercials where they have started to sell the market. Here, then they started to take some profit to push up the market, because the commercials have tremendous network of information. They are the real powers, even behind governments, behind far beyond the central banks. The commercials are the real powers, and they are net short in British pound sterling, meaning they have started to accumulate the positions. So we do, and at this moment we are selling strongly the British pound sterling. If I make now this chart a little bit now larger, so we see that at around 134 we had the first short, and then the market started to make some divergences, and here exactly at around 133.90 we sold the market. I expect even shortly before or some minutes before the BOE is going to announce its decision, the market will go a little bit higher at this level. Then it will be a fake out, a false breakout of British pound sterling, while the others, maybe some trend followers or some breakout traders, start to buy it. We sell immediately much more British pound sterling, with the first target to come to 127.24, and after breaking this level, reaching this level, we expect a 60% retracement to 138 and 131 before British pound sterling comes back to 120. This will be the first target. Reaching that target, then, and how it will continue at that level, then I will make a new video. So the first target is 126.79. The second target is 120.93. If it's going below, then we hold the position. Otherwise, we take maybe some potential profits, not all, but we close some positions with profit. Or if the market starts to get back, then at that level I will make some video. But at this level now we are definitely short. The current price is at 133,657. Now it's going to 132, I'm sorry. So, and therefore we are short in British pound sterling because of decision today. Think always the market makes first move. The big guys take their positions before the news came out. And even if the Bank of England does nothing, even if we will have no interest rate cuts in GBP or in England, the market will get down first. Why? Because not only of technical patterns. For example, we have a very big but false V pattern. That means that the market, instead of going higher and then to build a pullback, a type of cup and handle, the market stopped exactly there where it started its V pattern, right? So you see both head at this moment on the same position. So to be bullish using this pattern, the second head must be higher, but it is not at this moment. Instead, the market started a bearish pullback even before reaching that level, and this is a clear sign that we have a false or fake V pattern. That means we sell the market. The first profit taking or the first potential profit taking is at around 50% retracement of the V pattern, not of the price, but of the V pattern. How we can do that? We can, for example, put a Fibonacci indicator at the first leg or the first finish leg of the V pattern, and going to the root of the V pattern where the V pattern started to decrease. And that way we can locate it, and we see here that exactly at this point we have the 50% retracement or the V pattern retracement at 127,409. Then the second one is the 31%. If reaching that wrongly, a lot of traders start to buy this V pattern again, and this is a very big mistake because they ignore the fact that we have a false V pattern. So what do? We instead sell the market much more. If we had no positions here, but we have our sell positions already, and therefore the target will be the first leg of the V pattern at around 119.96. Once reaching there, then we will see if the market starts some kinds of divergences or consolidations, or if the market or the bulls coming in much more strongly, but I don't expect. But everything is happening and everything is possible in the financial market. And then at that time I will then make a new video. All right, have a good time.